So today we're gonna do suffix 으, 리을까요? So this means shall I, shall we, or do you think that? We're only going to use the stem of the verb. So for instance, let's say 하다. Using the stem 하, all you're going to do is add li을 on the stem and then 까요, 할까요, shall we do, shall I do. And if the verb like 먹다, when the stem has a final consonant, 먹, but this time we can't add anything on the 받침, so we'll add 을 and then 까요, or you can do the casual 까, 먹을까요, shall we eat. So conjugation is pretty easy. So let's do some example sentence. So if you want to say something like, shall we drink some coffee? 커피를, and the verb is 마시다. So 마시 is the stem, add 리을, 마실, and then 까요? 커피를 마실까요? Shall we drink some coffee? Okay, let's say this is informal, casual. You would just say 커피 마실까? 커피 마실까? Next example. Shall we start at 2 o'clock? So 2 o'clock should have time particle. 2시에 start, 시작하다, add 리을, 시작할, and then add 까요? 2시에 시작할까요? For this one, if you want to speak in informal, casual, you still need time particle. 2시에 시작할까? Never drop time particle or location particle. It would only sound natural to drop object particle for casual conversation, okay? Like a spoken casual. Do you think that the exam will be difficult? Okay. So first of all, test exam, 시험. And to be difficult, so we need the subject particle. 시험이, and then 어렵다, to be difficult. And this is the verb irregular. So this time the conjugation will be 어려. And then here's a trick. Instead of 을, it will be 울. 어려울, because this is an irregular verb, okay? 어려울, and then 까요? So 시험이 어려울까요? Do you think that the exam will be difficult? Casual, 시험이 어려울까? Okay. Okay, this one you can say like this. How about eating 갈비? Like, shall we eat 갈비? But you can say like, how about eating 갈비 by using 까요? And then I'll do the spoken. Then we can just drop object particle. 갈비. And let's do this in casual. 먹다, stem, 먹, and then add 을. Because this is a regular. So, 먹을까? Casual. 갈비 먹을까? How about eating 갈비? Shall we eat 갈비? Not too hard, right? Let's do making negative verbs. So we're going to conjugate action verbs and descriptive verbs, adjective, to a negative form instead of a an. So this is the different way to do it. So, okay. So let's start with some action verbs. To go, 가다. Example first. Okay, so using the stem 가, all you need is add 지 않다. So 가 and then add 지 않다. So 가다 means to go, 가지 않다, to not go. Polite form it will be 가지 않아요. Because 않다, 않아요, right? Basic 않아 and then add 요 after. Okay, let's do 먹다. To eat. And then same thing, using the stem 먹. All you need is add 지 않다. 먹지 않다. To not eat. Okay. And then let's just add adjective. 춥다. To be cold. Same thing, 춥. And then 지 않다. 춥지 않다. So this will be to be cold, to not be cold. And then we'll do some example. So first sentence, it's not cold today. So today, 오늘. As for today, 오늘은 춥다. Using the stem and then add 지 않다, present tense, 않아요, polite form. It's not cold today. 오늘은 as for today 춥지 않아요. Not cold. The other form that we learned previously was 오늘은 안 추워요, right? It's interchangeable. It won't be cold tomorrow. Tomorrow, as for tomorrow, 내일은 춥지, and then just have a future tense. 않을, and then 거예요. 내일은 춥지 않을 거예요. It won't be cold tomorrow. Again, the other form that we learned previously. 내일은 안 추울 거예요, right? And you do need to know both, both form. Okay, so now, just like last time, we're gonna do some conversation drill. 대화 연습. Okay, so first, A person, 산에 갈까요? B person, 네, 좋아요. Again, 산에 갈까요? 네, 좋아요. So, conversation, let's go over what this is about. A person, 산에 갈까요? And 산 is mountain. And then 가요 ending, we just learned that today. So shall we go to the mountain? 산에 갈까요? And then B person. 네. 좋아요. Yes, that's good. That's fine. Okay, next conversation. 내일 영화 볼까요? B person. 내일은 시간이 없어요. Okay, again, A person. 내일 영화 볼까요? B person. 내일은 시간이 없어요. Okay, so now let's go over what they're talking about. A. 내일 tomorrow 영화 볼까요? And 영화 is movie. So shall we watch a movie tomorrow? And then the B person said, as for tomorrow, 내일은 시간이 없어요. So first of all, 시간. What's 시간?
Time.
Yes. Good. So as for tomorrow, don't have time. I don't have time tomorrow. That means that when I have a time, it will be 있어요, right? So 시간이 있어요. I have time. 시간이 없어요. I don't have time. Okay. So next conversation. This time I'm gonna give you a question. So listen carefully. So A person. 민수 씨, 내일 영화 볼까요? B person. 내일은 시간이 없어요. A person. 그럼 토요일은 어때요? B person. 좋아요. Okay, again. 민수 씨, 내일 영화 볼까요? 내일은 시간이 없어요. 그럼 토요일은 어때요? 좋아요. So, question. This is true false, okay? Minsu is going to watch a movie tomorrow. True false?
False.
Yes. Good. Second question, true false. Minsu does have time on Saturday. True false?
True.
Yes.
Is it true?
Yes.
Okay.
Very good. Alright, so now let's go over together. Okay, so A person. 민수 씨, 민수. 내일, tomorrow, 영화, movie, 볼까요? Shall we watch? Shall we watch a movie tomorrow, 민수? B person. 내일은 as for tomorrow. 시간이 없어요. I don't have a time tomorrow. And then going back to A person. 그럼 then 토요일은 Saturday 어때요? How about? Then how about Saturday? B person. 좋아요. Sounds great. Sounds good. Now it's easy, right? Once you look at the dialogue. Good. Okay, this time the conversation is longer. So listen carefully. A person. 토요일에 영화 볼까요? B person. 토요일이 며칠이에요? A person. 5월 3일이에요. B person. 좋아요. 몇 시에 만날까요? A person. 2시에 학교 앞에서 만나요. B person. 좋아요. Let's go one more time. 토요일에 영화 볼까요? 토요일이 며칠이에요? 5월 3일이에요. 좋아요. 몇 시에 만날까요? 2시에 학교 앞에서 만나요. 좋아요. Okay. True, false. They are going to watch movie on May 3rd.
True.
Yes. And then second question. They are going to eat at 2 o'clock. True, false.
False.
Yes. Alright, so going over the conversation. Okay. So A. 토요일에 영화 볼까요? So shall we watch a movie on Saturday? 토요일이 며칠이에요? What date is Saturday? And then the A person. 5월 3일이에요. It's May 3rd. B person. 좋아요. That's good. 몇 시에? What time? 만날까요? Shall we meet? A person. 2시에 at 2 o'clock 학교 앞에서. So up front, right? 학교, school. In front of school at 2 o'clock. 2시에 let's meet. 만나요. And then the B person. 좋아요. Sounds good. Alright. So have fun. See you guys next 2 weeks. 안녕.